Hello everyone, in this video we will be covering more of the OS module in Node.js. We will be looking into network interfaces, platform and release. So let's get started. First, we have loadavg function, which won't work on Windows. No, seriously, the load average concept is only available on Unix-based systems. But what it is? To understand that, we need to know what load count is. It is basically the sum of each running or waiting process. So in short, the load average is the average of performed computation operations. In Node.js, the loadavg function returns the averages calculated in 1, 5 and 15 minute timeframes respectively. Moving on, we have network interfaces method. It returns an object where the network information can be accessed. The object has the expected attributes of address, netmask, family, MAC, internal status and cidr. If you have ever used the ifconfig command before, you will know those attributes for sure. This function is basically a Node.js version of it. Next, we have platform method. It is one of the essential methods for cross-platform application development, because we can get the current platform very easily by using this method and configure our application accordingly. It simply returns a string which has the platform info. For example, if you are on Windows, then it returns Win32. If you are on Mac, it returns Darwin, and if you are on Linux, it returns Linux. Then we have release method. This method is used to access the operating system information. Although it may not be frequently used like some of the other methods I have mentioned previously, it will probably become useful when targeting a build for a specific operating system version. Finally, we have tmpdir method. I have used this method many times. It essentially returns the path of operating system's temporary directory. There are multiple use cases for the temp directory. For example, if we download the data that we need to use at the moment, then we can store it on the temp folder and access from there. Once the operation was completed, no cleanup needed, and as it will be deleted anyways. But it is important to mention that we don't want to keep any important data as the temporary folder, because it was generally considered as an unsafe practice. And that said, I hope you've liked this video. We still got a few methods left in the OS module, so we will be checking those out in the next and our final part. So if you don't want to miss those, be sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing. See you next time. Take care.